You know what time it is? It's crypto time and a little bit of a different background. I am away with my mom, but I will always take you the daily video. So we're gonna go look at Monad. We're gonna go and look at the new airdrop opportunity. People are going to take snapshots right very soon. So we're gonna go and talk about that, and we jump straight onto the laptop. And the first thing is a new ZK airdrop coming in the horizon from a project called the Zero Network. Now, they have anticipated the airdrop already. They are on the ZK Sync network. You know how ZK developed the airdrop. And very important, just like ZK Sync had the Omnibus NFT, they've got their own Zero Network X Petro Voice NFT over here, which we can find it over on Zora. Very important, there are two NFTs for this project, and we've seen it with the ZK Sync. I do not want to miss out on this airdrop as well. We know how much that cooked and how important it was. So we simply need to go and mint these two NFT on any of the following one that you want. Make sure to go and collect them. They are super important. We go and mint them together right here, and I want to be part of this airdrop. It costs $2.70 as of right now, so very much nothing. If you can go and farm both of them, absolutely great. Make sure to go and do it. If you can only pick one, I would suggest you this one as well. This is the official Zero Network testnet, is now live anticipation. There have been 20,000 people that have already minted it. So if you did mint it, make sure to go and grab yourself the new one, this partnership. If you haven't minted like me, mint both of them for a total of $5. Or if you can get one, make sure to get this one over here on the testnet confirmation one, which is super important for you to go and get it. And we will have more to talk about this one. There will be a testnet participation, which I will take you all about. They have the website already live, as we see over here, the Zero Network. Very looking forward to this one, as it is a very important one. Both of them will be linked down below, as well as, if you want to check it out, the Zero Network testnet website over here. Mint both of them. Let's go. Following up, we got just a quick heads up for you, 24 hours to go and get yourself this Linea quest, which I will leave you linked down below. Linea is keep on milking us, but it is super easy, as you see here. We just gotta mint a couple of NFTs, which, you know, it is what it is. But as we see here on the MetaMask wallet, it is absolutely easy to go and do. Simply switch to Linea. From Linea, we go and connect, and we go and collect all that we gotta do. And as we see here, we only do the gas fees, which is even cheaper, 2 cents. So yeah, definitely go and grab yourself one, because it is an important one. We got it. We completed this Linea situation over here, and we are good to go. Skip this part, and we collect ourselves 20 XP points, and we keep on providing with the Linea airdrop, which it is gonna cook a lot. It is gonna cook for real, in my opinion. Following up, a major update. Now, here we got the Awelto situation, which I am farming it, and I am going for it all out for this one. It is the most under-farmed airdrop when it comes to airdrop farming right now. It is a point-based system. They also have announced a very interesting round 3 of the giving and the funding. So they have already a $10 million evaluation, or a fundraising. They are valued at $150 million, and they are going on for another round. So the airdrop will really cook, and you can see this news over here on their Twitter page as we go over to Twitter and check it with you. The Awelto, sorry if I say it wrong, I know somebody hates me, but as we see here, 150 million evaluation. They are going for another round, which is really good, valuing us at 150 million. So definitely heads up, make sure to go and grab it. And very important, they got some new quests. We got some boost points, as we see over here, bridge to scroll and bridge from scroll. And I'll show you the easiest way to go and do this and to go and receive the score. So to bridge to scroll or from scroll, the easiest way and the cheapest way to go and do it, it is definitely to go and send the minimum transaction 0.001 over to Taiko. Now, to Taiko, as we see over here, the bridging fee is free, and the destination cost is 0.0003. It is the cheapest one in the market right now. We are getting ourselves different points, so we got to do this 3 times and then send to scroll another 3 times. I'm not gonna stay here and show you the whole process, but we got more than 1,000 points. I believe it is 1,300 points up for grabs in this process, in this situation for the airdrop, which is really nice. So definitely 0.001. We do it again and we collect more points, we collect more transaction, and we keep on farming it. I am heavily going all out on this, and I do suggest you do it as well. They got the main airdrop, as well as they got the Awelto Summer is now live. Top 1000 trader per week are going to receive one of their NFT, which will give you an even more multiplier for the airdrop that they're gonna have. And nice thing about this, I only made 7 trades, as we see over here, 9 trades, and I'm at rank 247. This means that is so much under farm that you will have a very nice juicy reward. 9 bridging and I'd be at 247. I will get myself the NFT. I will get myself the multiplier for the airdrop once I come out with this NFT that I go and earn because I'm top 1000. With only 9 trades, I am top 1000. So do not miss it. It is definitely a good one. Following up, we got another Airdrop community update. The Dmail airdrop is dropping in late July. We only got 13 days left in July, so this means that this one is coming really soon. And Dmail, I know a lot of you don't like it, a lot of you didn't like it, but I'll tell you what, Dmail is gonna cook. First of all, we got the season 2 airdrop, and I will show you how to go and earn it. The Dmail BEP20 token on the Ethereum chain airdrop will be auto-distributed to eligible wallets. No need to claim. You still got, I would say, 1 week to go and farm it hard, to go and collect points. And as we see over here, future season airdrop, season 3, season 4, and so on. So we will have the season 2, and there will be more airdrop in the future. Will continue, mainly tied to the Dmail points. Stay tuned for dates, plus earn tokens and reward from our ecosystem partner. Dmail network and our foundation are independently operated with no external incubation, which is really good. So we have way lot of airdrop to come for Dmail right now, which is a very nice thing because it is all point based. And we have been farming it for a while. If you have not yet participated, the link is down below. You are still in time to go and participate right now. Absolutely yes, because we still got a week before the snapshot of the point allocation. Therefore, we can go and claim it. As we see here, I have in the ranking, I'm in the leaderboard, I believe I am 3000 plus, don't know where I am in that, but how to go and complete? Well, you got some tasks. You got to send some email on the Ton chain, on the Linea chain, on the base chain, on the scroll chain, etc, etc. You can send them. It costs a little bit of gas fees, but there is also a possibility to go and earn yourself points for free. So all you gotta do is join through the link down below. Then we're gonna end up in this page. We send an email to any random email as we see over here, and we simply copy and paste the email address over here. Now, we can send it on Ethereum, for example. If we do send it on Ethereum over here, we switch the network, and it is free to send, not even transaction cost. There is not even the wallet opening because it is free to send. Then we can go and send it on any other protocol or any other scenario that we have over here. For example, the BNB chain. We switch to the BNB chain, we send, as we see over here, it costs 7 cents in transaction fee. So it is completely up to you whether you want to send it and spend a little bit on transaction fees if you do think the airdrop is going to be valuable enough, or it is completely up to you if you just want to do for free with Ethereum as well as Zeta chain, Polygon, and yes, they do count. Both of them, even if it's free or not, they do count in terms of interaction with the protocol. But as we said, also here, Linea is 1 cent fee. So you can definitely go and amplify your network a little bit, go and do some transaction on every chain. If it does literally cost 1 cent, it could be a good idea because the airdrop could cook. We then have OPB, Manta, Scroll, Base, as we see. So there are all different scenarios, which I do suggest you go and do it if you have the possibility. Otherwise, stick to the free one, try to earn as many points as you can, and you are good to go. But they have announced the season 2 airdrop and many more to come. Following up, we got the Supra token allocation. You can now check the amount that you will receive. You will need a PC to check because it will download Starkey wallet extension. Only 10% of the airdrop, however, it is claimable at the token generation event. The next one, or the 90% that is remaining, the rest will be claimable after 15 months. A bit of a long period if you ask me, but this is what it is. You have approximately 21 days to select 15 months to claim the rest of your token, which is 90%. This is the website as we see over here, the supra.com blast of tokens, and you have the possibility to go over here and see your claim plan that you have the possibility to do it. Remember that it will download the other token or the other wallet for you to go and do it, and this is how the page is going to happen. for the Supra token, for the delegation, for the star key, and all of the goodies that you do have to do, which is quite important at time right now. Following up, we got a head up because it is the last day. I know a lot of you have done it, but this is for people that have not done it. A little update for the Lava airdrop. You have the possibility to go and claim your allocation. It's the last day. If you do not do it, which by the way, interestingly enough, there are 60%, I believe 60% of the airdrop token have been claimed. The other 40%, not yet. So does this mean that as that claim, we're going to receive a bigger allocation? Let me know in the comments below. Or will the token get burned? Or will the token happen for another airdrop situation? We will see. But if you haven't done it, come to the website over here, insert your wallet address over here, click on check. If you have the possibility, you have not yet done it, you will be redirected to another page. Check the allocation, claim it, and it will be automatically sent to your wallet. If you have claimed it already like me, yet not in your wallet, because the TGE, the token generation event, has yet not happened, you will see this error page, claim register with a valid Lava address, so you are good to go. Next up, we got the Milkway update. It's here and it's beautiful. The Milkway modular staking portal for the Milk init is now live on the Initial Foundation's public testnet. I personally have not farmed the Milk TIA airdrop. I know a lot of people have. I simply staked my TIA token over on Kepler. I didn't follow up with the Milk TIA situation. But as you see here, liquid stake, you can do now the Milkway testnet. It is absolutely live. You can get your token over here from the init x gas or the Milk. Simply go over here, go at the testnet, claim the Milk. You're good to go over on the wallet. And you can do the same with the init x gas. Your endpoint storage is too low to claim the testnet token because you do require a minimum endpoints of 500. You can claim once every 7 hours. But if you wish to go and utilize it, you can go and claim your Milk token over here just to have a possibility available to stake. Zero staked amount Milk in it. I've got 0 as well. So if you have the possibility to do it, make sure to go and do it. Make sure to utilize the testnet. Could potentially be a reward for everybody on the testnet. Talking about the testnet, we've seen it at the beginning. Make sure to go and do it. The Zero Network X Petra. We know how important also for the Milk TIA airdrop, the testnet NFT and the cartoon NFT you have gone and claimed already. It is super important for the situation. So also this one, Zero testnet and the Petra X0, very important for you to go and collect. Next up, a little update on the Li-Fi protocol that has been hacked yesterday. It is all good to go. This is for the Jumper exchange, which we are going and we have farmed the airdrop already. Every month we collect X amount of XP point, which will then lead up to the airdrop. The protocol is fully operational again. Bridging and swapping on most of our partner protocol have resumed, which is really, really nice. And it is the possibility to go and do it. Absolutely. Yes. Next up, we got a free claim of the Primex Finance NFT over here. There are 2 steps to do it. First, you got a form to go and fill out, which is basically asking you for the Twitter, for the Discord, for Telegram, just to know who you are, in case to connect you, in case to go and do the situation for the possibility, which is really, really good. So make sure to go and do that one. And then it will open up over on Galaxy over here, which will give you the possibility to follow the Primex official account on Twitter, which is right here. We go and follow them. You have the possibility to join the Discord server, which is right here, and then you can go and follow it. I believe I am full, so we can go over here, delete and leave a server as we want. Click over here to the Discord, accept the invite. We will be redirected over to Discord as we see over here. Open Discord, and we got it right here. Make sure to do all the, I am not a robot, I'm a real human. Submit this, pass the test, click over here. Go to the verification, verify, and you are good to go. So make sure to do this one. Once you have done it, it will be super, super easy to go and do. And verify yourself once through whatever it is here. Click here, go and do all of this, and you are good to go. When done that, you come over here, you reload all of this, and you will go and be able to collect your Primex NFT over here for the possibility of this airdrop. Following up, we got an interesting Monad X backpack update. I am convinced that we gotta go and download backpack, and I do have it. I've got it right here over on my wallet. This is the backpack wallet, as you see over here, which is very easy to go and use, just like any other wallet. And I will utilize it for the Monad update, for the Monad airdrop. live for testnet on day one. So potentially everybody that is using Phantom will not have the possibility to use the Monad airdrop or the Monad application until probably day 7, week 2, whatever it is. With the backpack you do, and this is apparently a very, very big error. So just a heads up, make sure to go and do it. I will leave you this official statement down below so you can go and check it. You download backpack from the Google Web Store and you are good to go. Next up, we got the possibility of the Saga Vault 3 eligibility criteria of the criteria as it relates to the partner drops and the Saga token airdrop. 3 stacking categories for partner draws. We got every staker categorized in 3 different categories, which grants access to different rewards. As we see over here, the snapshot was taken on July 9th, 2024, at a block height of 1,377,540 staked Saga token, the requirement. And then we got this one. So we got the requirement for top 20,000 stake ratio across Vault 2 recipients and other staker with more than 10 Saga staked at start, and the Vault 2 airdrop recipient who staked 100% of their allocation, 11,000 eligible wallet, to get the extra loyalty bonus, which is interesting. Following up, we got a Cosmos airdrop update. As we see over here, if you do hear somebody snoring, it's my mom's dog. Forgive me about that. A Cosmos airdrop over on OM, the eligibility of the Atom stakers, Bad Kid Start, and the Celestia Slot NFT holders, and the Galaxy participant over here, which is the Mantra Chain Galaxy participant. Super easy. Be a space user, which means to follow them over here. 1.8 million. Visit over here. Simply open this one. You can go and visit it as we see over here. Click over on visit and you are good to go and collect it. It has ended as of right now, but this one was for the people who did this Galaxy quest are going to be able to receive the Cosmos update of the OM. Super important. Next up, we got the ZK Link Nova token claiming for the Nova drop round 1 opens on July 22nd. So mark your calendars, keep it in mind, and you are good to go. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Quite a big updates, but I never fail a day to bring you these updates. With that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.